In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a 3D skeuomorphic button in Figma using shapes, shadows, and highlights. Start by opening Figma and creating a new design file. Select the rectangle tool and draw the base shape for your button. Next, increase the corner radius to create smooth, rounded edges. A high corner radius works best for the soft skeuomorphic style. With the button selected, go to the Effects section and add an inner shadow. Adjust the shadow settings by moving it slightly upward and increasing the blur to create a soft recessed effect. Now add a second inner shadow and change its color to white. Position it in the opposite direction to create a subtle highlight. Adjust the blur until the button has a realistic light source and soft 3D appearance. Next, use the text tool to add your button label and place it in the center of the button. Customize the colors, font, and shadows until the button matches your desired design style. Preview the result and make any final adjustments to improve the depth and realism. And that's it! You've successfully created a 3D skeuomorphic button in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.